windows and blinds. To ventilate, unlock the windows and open them up step by step to an angle of 90 degrees. You can unlock the safety locks by pressing the button. The combination window element is equipped with a blackout blind and an insect screen. To close it, lift the window pane slightly to release the locking device. The window handle also has a ventilation position to keep it open just a bit. Loosen the locking device to open the skylight and make sure that it latches in again after closing. The skylight also has blackout and insect pleating. You can darken the driver's cab by pulling the provided pleating closed on the cockpit windows. The entrance has an insect screen that can be pulled shut when the door is open.